Homemade shawarma. Here's a fun hack on how to make shawarma on a spit at home in your oven, and then make a pretty cool wrap out of it. It's so fun, the whole family's gonna love it. Chicken thighs in a bowl. Add your oil, lemon, seasonings, and then mix. Marinate for 30 minutes overnight or until you lose patience. Red onion, cut it in half and place it onto a sheet tray. Take your skewers and measure your oven. Make sure to cut it to the right height. That way it doesn't get stuck. Put them into the onion. Take your chicken and slide it down onto your spit. And keep going. Like that. And then top it with the onion just for fun. Now pop it into a 375 oven. After about an hour and a half, you'll have your crispy outside, juicy inside shawarma that you'll slice up. I'm gonna use lavash because I love it. Lettuce, shawarma, red onions, tomatoes, cucumbers. I love turshi in mine. And some garlic yogurt sauce. Wrap it all up. Oh yes. Abowww! Yeah! Oh man, that's delicious. It's so good. Nice and juicy. I love the garlic sauce. The full recipe's in the caption. Don't forget to like and follow for more fun recipes. Want some?